Never ever ever tell me now ukuthi wena you're going for a picnic because you don't understand the history of lento oyenzayo. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, you're going for a picnic. Yini picnic? It's fine. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, a father was reading the paper. Understand ukuthi isitha saw something on the paper eyasenza sajabula. After reading that, wagijima waya kumfazi wayotshena uwife ukuthi no, prepare a meal because siya out. Immediately after hearing the good news, wife went straight to the kitchen. Wafika wathatha isinkwa, she started slicing, she started wagcoba, she took ama-fruits wawafaka, she cut some of the fruits, she took ama-juice, she put them in the baskets. She was so happy after hearing the good news ephuma kubaba ukuthi they are going out. Even iy'ngane were happy because they were told by ubaba nomama ukuthi no man, go bath, get dressed, prepare because siya out. Iy'ngane immediately saw nomama at the kitchen busy prepare ama-sandwich. They knew ukuthi hayi namhlanje kuzoba mnandi. So they went all to bath besizana, they went to get dressed besizana. It was such a happy day for umndeni wonke. Once everyone was dressed, benza sure ukuthi they lock up umuzi, bathatha yonke into eyilageji yabo, baphuma bahamba. Everyone was smiling, everyone was laughing, iy'ngane ziyidlalela. Clearly it was gonna be a good day for bona. Bahamba baze bafika kwi-train station, beloke beyijabulele. Immediately ubaba wahamba wayothatha ama-tickets. On that day, that specific day, ama-tickets for i-train free because everyone was allowed ukuthi ahambe aye la abaya khona. Ihlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi ubaba the time ebona i-newspaper bekubhalwe ukuthi uJohn Heatherfield umntomnyama will be unalived by umphakathi. Konke lokho kuzokwenzeka ngo-5 o'clock in the afternoon. Understand ukuthi ngalesiya sikhathi babe-announce ephepheni ukuthi sine-event enkulu kuzobe ku-analyvwa umuntu omnyama. Whenever isitha would unalive umuntu omnyama babeba ne-huge event ababeyibiza nge-huge picnic or igala occasion. Understand ukuthi ama-businesses ayevalwa and ama-special trains awamahhala ayithatha abantu from la behlala khona babayise lapha kuleya event khona nabo